What's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. This is probably one of the most important videos you've ever seen in your life. I am not joking with you, but you can literally create millions of dollars if you simply follow my advice here. But this is all with free money. Yes, you heard me right. So you wouldn't be investing any of your money if you simply just follow this strategy. You'll basically be doing this with free money, so creating millions of dollars from free money. Stay in tune and I'll explain everything. Before we get started, I do want to make sure I remind you guys to make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. I really appreciate it and it really helps me out create more videos like this where I can show you how to invest in the stock market, how to become a more profitable investor, as well as money advice and tips for you to create wealth for yourself. So don't wait any longer, join the community, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, and leave me a comment down below whenever you're done with this video. What did you think of it? Alright, let's go ahead and get to 300 subscribers. And I do have some referral links like free money for any brokerage you want to use, such as Robinhood, Finance. Some of them give you free stocks like Robinhood. This is Acorns. You get $5 as soon as you get started. Just use that link in the description. This is my favorite secured credit card. Anyone can apply and get approved for this credit card. And you get $50 of free spending money. Yes, $50 of free money for you to spend on whatever you want. Alright, so this is my Acorns Portfolio. I have $129.24 in here. So, in case you're new to Acorns, Acorns is an investment brokerage that ties in with your debit card or credit cards. And basically, whenever you make an expense, it rounds up the spare change to the nearest dollar and it invests those extra cents into any portfolio that you want. I just have it all invested in the S&P 500 on an aggressive portfolio. But basically, here's my performance for my $129 of just spare change. So I'm up $3.78 since I started. So not too bad for just money that I just have laying around. That's a 3% return. And that's not money I'm planning to use at all. It's just money that's kind of just sitting there growing by itself without me having to think about it. Very stress-free. And I actually have a strategy where you can invest money into a portfolio of Acorns without actually using any of your money. So this is not going to cost you anything. So make sure you listen to the entire video so that you understand what I'm saying exactly. Because if you follow this, you'll be amazed by the results. Alright, so 3% might not be a lot for a lot of people, but this is just $100, $129. So a 3% return on $129 is barely like $3.87, right? But guess what? What if you had $1,000? Then a 3% return, this will equal $30. So basically, the more money you have invested at the same return, the more dollar value you will get out of it. So $10,000 at 3%, the same rate of return. Now it's going to give you $300. So you see my point. The more money you have invested, the more dollar value you're going to get out of it with the same return. Alright, so in case you don't know, there are some credit cards that give you cash back for any expense that you make on them. So if you spend money on everyday things that you normally would, they're going to give you a certain percentage cash back. It can be either 1%, 2%, 3% cash back on any of your purchases. So a good credit card will pay you around a 2% cash back for any expense that you make. So this is a real life example. I have a 2% cash back, the one I recommended in the beginning of the video, that I have a referral link for $50 of free spending money. I have that one. It's a secured credit card and it gives me 2% cash back on my expenses. So let's go ahead and look at the details. If I go ahead and spend $20 with my cashback credit card, I'm gonna get 40 cents back. If I spend 30, they're gonna give me 60 cents. $40, they're gonna give me 80 cents. $50, they're gonna give me $1. $60, 120. So this keeps on repeating. This is 2% of every dollar value. So let's assume 2% cashback on the expenses above, and this is standard for pretty much a decent cashback credit card. So the cashback amounts on the right are free money given to you by your credit card because they're paying you 2% for any purchase you make. So it's basically free money just by you spending that money on everyday expenses that you're going to make anyways with a debit card or in cash. So if you're not using a cashback credit card, you're literally wasting money because you could be getting cash back for any expenses that you make. And on top of that, it helps your credit. But if you're bad at managing your finances and you spend more than you make, then a credit card is definitely not for you because you can get in a lot of trouble with credit card debt, and you definitely don't want to be in that situation. But let's assume you're a little bit smart with your finances. So basically, you get that 2% cashback credit card. So Acorns rounds up to the nearest dollar of every expense and invests that for you and your portfolio hands-free. You just set it up and it does it for you automatically. You don't have to think about it at all. It just does it for you. So let's get 3 random examples of expenses to prove to you that you're getting free investing money. So let's say you go out and get gasoline for your car, because you're gonna spend that money on gasoline either way because you need a reliable transportation, right? So Acorns will round up 36 cents from the $20.64. So Acorns will take out 36 cents from your bank account and put that into your Acorns portfolio, right? So let's say you spent that with your 2% cashback card. So that 2% cashback for $20.64 is actually 40 cents. So by you making that purchase, your credit card gave you 40 cents. Your roundup was only 36 cents. So guess what? With those 40 cents, you'll cover that 36 cents expense that Acorns made on your account. That way they can put that into your investment portfolio. So basically, that roundup that you put into your Acorns was free from that 2% cash back that your card gave you. So let's do this example with groceries. It costed you $80.61. Acorns will put 39 cents into your roundup, which will go into your account. This is to the nearest dollar, so $80.61 plus the 39 cents is equal to 81. Your 2% cashback card will give you $1.60 for this purchase, because that 2% of $80.61 is 39 cents. So you see what I'm saying? The 2% cashback that they're giving you is easily covering the roundup. So it's basically, it actually really is free money that you're getting for you to invest. So let's say you go out and have a dining meal for 2. This costed you $53.94. The roundup for that is going to be 6 cents because it only rounds up to the nearest dollar. So 6 cents is the only difference from $53.94 to $54. So the 2% cashback card will give you $1 for that purchase because 2% of $53.94 is $1. So that's enough to cover the 6 cents roundup. So free money that you got to invest. Alright, I hope my explanation is making sense. Let me go ahead and finish the rest. So you can keep your cash back for you, which is fine. It's better than not getting any cash back for purchases that you will make anyway. So that's still a smart move by you getting that 2% cashback card. But even better, you can invest your cash back, your free money, meaning you can invest your free money because your cash back is covering your investments into Acorns. And with that, you basically get compounded results, because by you simply choosing to invest your free money instead of just keeping it in your savings or spending it, you'll get these amazing benefits. First of all, you'll get dividends reinvested into your Acorns portfolio. Your cash back will grow with the market, which can mean 10 to 20% return yearly. Third, your money will not lose value from inflation. If you just keep your cash back sitting there, it loses money basically every single day from inflation, especially through the years. So you don't want this to happen to the value of your money. Basically, this is hands-free, stress-free growth for your money, actually for your free money. So who wouldn't want that? I hope this makes sense to you. And if you just do this for like 10 to 20, 30 years, you'll be amazed by how much you can accumulate from those little savings that you did to this investment portfolio of free money from your cashback credit card. So it's not even your money, and you're making money from that. So this is the power of doing this, and the earlier you start, the better. And the best thing about this is that it's stress-free. You don't need to worry about it at all. You just set it up. It might take just like 15 to 20 minutes, but after that, you're set for many, many years. And you can eventually look at this and get all excited by how much money you're making from the free money that you're getting already from your cashback credit cards. Also, one more thing, if you do this, you're also going to take advantage of compound interest, which is something Albert Einstein even talked about, the power of compound interest. Basically, the more money you have in this Acorns account, the more money you will make. So basically, the more money you have in this account, the higher the dividend payout will be, because that dividend payout is a percentage of the money that you have in that account. And also that 3% return, which that I have right now, obviously it can differ every year, but 3% is not the same dollar value as 3% of $100 versus 3% of $500 or 3% of $1,000. So through the years, you'll have more accumulated in this account, which will result in even more money. So it basically turns into a snowball, increasing through the years. So to sum this up, basically, if you continuously do this for 20 to 30 years with free money, you will be shocked at how much free money you made in the long run just by choosing to invest that. That's the power of investing, especially through the years. So stop making excuses and do this now. Go ahead and set it up. Use that referral link that I have in the description for Acorns for $5 to get started, and use that link for the secured credit card. Alright, I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the Acorns hack. Do you think this will be a great idea for you? Are you going to go ahead and do this? Let me know. Let me know if you use any of the links as well. I'll give you a shout out for using them, because that's a great step towards your future, and it also helps out the YouTube channel as well. So I would really appreciate all the support. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Are you going to go ahead and try the Acorns hack? Let me know. Make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next videos. Peace.